We got to see the opportunity that our students now have with in-person instruction. They're in their different labs. We got to see culinary. We got to see welding, auto mechanics. These are dual credit courses where students can take these college classes here at PSJA for free so that they can get those certifications. We're continuing to follow our safety guidelines. We're making sure that we follow that 6-foot distancing and that students are wearing masks. So the next process we have now is going to be our part 3 of our integration, where we're going to have more students in our campuses and we're going to have be able to follow those same safety guidelines that we've had. We just want to let everyone know that we're moving to this very cautiously. We're ensuring that we follow our safety guidelines. We put a lot of different measures in our buildings to ensure that we're increasing the amount of safety so that the COVID-19 virus is not spreading among our community. We still have dual enrollment students that are doing it virtually, and I know, for example, many of our students that are taking their English or their math courses through STC, those classes are still being offered and they're still going to be online, and we're going to ensure that they continue to have that quality instruction that we know that they want to have and that's going to make that positive difference in their lives.